I'd like to take this opportunity to give you a quick welcome to BUS 520 and to give you a couple pointers as you first log into the course. This is how the course is set up, as you can see in this video. You should, if you're logging in hopefully before the course starts and some fair amount of lead time hopefully, I do want you to read chapters 1, 15, and 16, as you can see here, readings before the class starts. And you'll see PowerPoints down here along with introductory videos for each of those chapters. So that should get you a running start for each week. If we look at the center section here, readings before class, we can scroll down and notice the class is divided up into segments with the final projects. There'll be separate videos for each of these areas, so I'm just showing you this initial one. The course is laid out pretty straightforward, where you can access your assignments by clicking here. There's a separate tab or a link to assignment help, which is also going to roll up on this main screen right here under resources. You can check your grades. There's direct access to the forums, though I would prefer that you access a forum through the assignments, which is under my assignments. You can check your attendance, a little direct course information. Here's the syllabus, which you should download or you should probably have right now before the course even starts, so you can get your both books. Make sure you get those as soon as possible because you're going to need them. And they can be used, that's perfectly fine. But do get a hold of them. It's got my contact information. So, as you would with your students, make sure that you're being proactive and, fairly ambitious as we get going, because this course goes by very quickly. I understand everybody's busy, which is perfectly fine, but it's just like your students are busy with their lives too. When they come to your class, your expectations are still that they'll complete the course in good order, and my expectations are the same as yours in that sense. And you can look at the roster and look at other students in the course. But I'm just going to take you to your assignments. Click right there on the left-hand corner, and I have this open so you can see kind of how it's laid out, the mechanics of the course. We've got reading and other assignments. We can open that up, and this is for week 1. So it's chapters 2, 3, and 4. Carrot and sticks. This is a suggested reading schedule. There's a separate video that describes that specific assignment, and I'll talk about it in class when we have our first WebEx or our first connection. But let me go back to the forum, which is the first assignment that you'll submit. And notice there's links here. Okay, so there's links to a fair amount of things. There's a video here, how to post, the mechanics of this, which is merely done by clicking on the spot right here. It's visit week 1 forum topic in the forum. Add a comment is a different issue. That's something where you're sending me a specific comment about something. Here are the due dates. So if you're ever wondering, the initial post is due on the 15th, Thursday at 11:55 p.m. So that's your initial response to this. And then your secondary responses are due on Friday the 16th, or whatever date that happens to be given when you're taking this course. But everything's pretty well laid out. There's a rubric if you want to read a rubric, if you like those kind of things too. Here's the article that you'll analyze. So as its statement reads for the direction, read and discuss the attached article, getting the right fit, then analyze this in light of the course, your projects, personal experience, your readings. Make sure you organize your paper with section headers in bold. Well, this is why I've got this noted in yellow to highlight it. I specifically want you to format your work in a certain way. And it's not, I do want you to cite things as necessary, but it's not strictly APA. Here's a format and quality example. Please download that. With every assignment, there will be files attached. They are there so that you're fully informed when you do the assignment, so there shouldn't be any questions necessarily. But make sure you look at that and read it carefully, because it's very specific, and that's my expectation. And it will help. It's not there to burden you unnecessarily. It's there to help you to more completely answer the question, get more out of the discussion in a general sense, and makes things work just much better. So this should get you going. Glad you're in class. If you have questions, let me know, but forge ahead. Thank you.